Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Freshworks CRM step by step clearly. Visit the Freshworks CRM website. Click on the Sign Up button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Fill in the required fields with your personal information. Enter your first name in the designated box. Next, input your last name. Provide a valid email address for account verification. Create a strong password that meets the specified criteria. Select your country from the drop-down menu. After completing the form, click on the Create Account button. Check your email inbox for a verification message from Freshworks. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. You will be redirected back to the Freshworks CRM website. Proceed to fill out additional information about your business. Enter your company name and website URL, if applicable. Select your industry from the provided list. Provide the number of employees in your organization. Once all fields are completed, click on the Continue button. You will be taken to the Freshworks CRM dashboard. Explore the features available to get acquainted with your new account. Customize your settings according to your business needs. Congratulations, you are now registered with Freshworks CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.